My name is Gerardo Perez. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Pro-Am LA. I'd like to show you a little tour of our facility. Follow me. This is our warehouse. We have 30,000 square feet inside as well as a yard outside. From here, we service customers in all of California as well as Las Vegas. Behind me is one of our largest structures that was custom made for our customer at Coachella. This is something that's available to any of our clients that come into our LA office. Out here, we have the frames for all of our large structures. These are all high quality materials. They're properly organized and stored so the job is done right the first time. To make sure our structures are safe from the elements, we use these 500-pound blocks to weigh them down. Here at Pro-Am, we take pride in having the cleanest vinyl in the industry. Every vinyl that comes back through Pro-Am gets washed, inspected, and cleaned by hand, then dried outside, ready for the next event. We are blessed to have great weather in LA, which means we can dry our tarps outside. Every single tarp that comes through Pro-Am LA is hand washed or machine washed and then hung outside to dry, ready for the next client. Here we have our varying color vinyls. We can put any brand, any logo, or any color that our client needs. We also do medical tent vinyl for large events like EDC Las Vegas. Behind me is our vinyl aisle. We have vinyl in ranging sizes from 10 feet all the way up to 200 feet wide. The containers you see behind me are used to transport our vinyl to and from location to ensure that they are safe. Here we have our tables. We have plastic as well as wood. We have 4-foot, 6-foot, and 8-foot size tables, which are used for merch tables as well as food tables at large festivals. We also have cocktail tables that can be used for VIP areas at Coachella, Formula One, and various events. Here we have our wall of chairs. We have metal frame chairs, resin chairs, as well as upscale mahogany chairs. These chairs can be used for any event that we currently do, as well as any event that you need to use out of our SoCal office. Thanks for visiting our LA office. Our doors are always open.